Hi, Gareth from Port Mickey's here, and today we are on the beautiful Diamond Princess, and we are on Lido Deck 14 forward, and there are cabins forward. So we're going to head aft. This would be the port side, right side, left side, duh. And the first thing we're going to come to is Slice Pizzeria. Prego Pizzeria. And then we're going to come to the Mermaid's Tail Bar. And the grill. Which brings us out to one of the pools. I think this is the Calypso Reef and Pool. Take that back, Neptune's Reef and Pool. And this is Swirls. Wow, I'm making all sorts of mistakes. Neptune's Reef and Pool. I think Reef is the shallow area. This is the Calypso Reef and Pool. Let's go over here. Got somebody in the hot tub there. This is covered, and they keep it covered almost the whole time. Then we come to the bar. Hi. And this is the Calypso Bar. Calypso Reef and Pool, Calypso Bar. Then we're going to come to Horizon Court, which is the ship's buffet. Now it's 6:30 in the morning, but we had a time change, so people are... Hi. Hi. People are up because they got an extra hour of sleep. So it's got a lot of coffee stations. They don't work though. That's why there's pots of coffee there. These coffee stations aren't operating properly. I'm going to cut through here. We're going to go out the back. Horizon Court is the same on the other side. He just chained that off. So this is the Terrace Pool, Terrace Bar. We're going to try to go upstairs. This is the back of the ship though. That's the Izumu Japanese bath. So you have to pay to use that big tub there. And I heard it's cold, not heated. But we're going to go up. This would be deck 15 where Izumi is. I'm going to go all the way up here. So now we're on deck 16. We're off the coast of Baja, California. I'm going to cut across here. I think this is a bar, the Oasis Bar, but I don't think they use it. Notice how there's no liquor or anything there. Giant chess. Get in over there. Our goal is not to get in yet. You can take interior stairs where we're going. You can take an elevator where we're going. I'm just happen to be going this way. The sports court is up above there. Don't think we have time to go up. This is Skywalker's lounge. There won't be anything happening here today. Or, well, there's a couple people in here. And it has an escalator coming up to it. Confusing, huh? Skydeck 18 we're on. So we started on 14. We're going to go back down. Sports deck 16. Let's go on down one more. Sun Deck 15. This is where Camp Discovery is, Kids Club, and Izumi, Japanese baths, costs extra, and the beach house for teenagers. Let's go outside here. No, let's go back inside. What have I got? We're gonna go down one more deck. Yes, where we were. No. Not where we were. Crossing over. Going out. There we go. Hey there, Diamond Princess. Hi, how are you there? I have to keep these at 8 minutes or less for editing purposes. And we're at 6.5. I do want to show you the pools from up front, and if I can, I want to show you the bridge deck, which on this ship is open all the time. Well, I guess not bad weather. They may consider today to be too windy. I don't know. We're going to find out. Hopefully. So, Neptune's full again. Movies under the stars. Me checking the time code. Another bar. Empty deck areas, and it's closed. But it's out there. And like I say, normally you can go on it. This is the Lotus Spa. Whew. And back there is the gym. So we'll take a spin through here real quick. But we're rapidly running out of time. There is an adults only pool out there.